Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a guild on Discord. Start by choosing the games your build plays together, which you can edit or expand later. Then select a playstyle like casual or hardcore to set the tone, and pick your preferred demographic. This could include game ranks, minimum ages, or specific interests. Next, select traits that represent your guild's vibe, whether it's shared love for cheesecake or a K-pop playlist while gaming, and choose at least 3 traits to define your community. Write discovery description that explain why people should join and captures the essence of your guild. You can even describe your guild in just 3 memorable words. Create a guild tag and badge for membership to display. Your tag can be up to 4 characters and isn't unique, and you can customize badge colors using present option or color picker. Finally, personalize your guild's banner and set up an application for new members with questions like why do you want to join, or fun ones like what's your favorite dinosaurs. Your Discord guild is now ready to attract the right members. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.